Are you the one that has ears to hear? Please share and pass down to all generations, because they teach a false scale circle. Dividing the circle is the same as dividing the equilateral triangle, because in the true 3.6 inch circumference circle, the diameter mirrors the equilateral triangle height. When you multiply the two together, it equals 1. All squares for the triangle originate from this circle. And whenever you move to another circle, another triangle, it is balanced by multiplying the diameter by the equilateral triangle height, a balanced number. To find your equilateral triangle height, you multiply the diameter by 0.75. The radius squared in this circle is 0.3 repeating. The diameter squared is equal to 4/3, and the 60-degree portion squared is equal to 1. Now let's solve a triangle. In this 60-degree triangle, we're going to take the diameter and multiply it by 0.75. When you do, you get 51.961524227. Then we're going to multiply the diameter times the equilateral triangle height. We get 3600 as our balance number. So we're talking about squares. We're going to use square root. Now we're going to find the radius of this circle. So we're going to use 0.3 repeating times 3600. And when you do that, you'll see you get 34.6410615. If you divide this diameter by 2, you'll see you get that measurement. Now let's find the 60-degree height. The square was 1 in the circle, so we're going to take the square root of 1 times 3600. You get 60. If you solve this triangle, you'll see that this height is equal to 60. And to check that, take the diameter and multiply it by sine 60. Now let's find the circumference for this circle. Our circumference is 3.6 in this circle, so when we square it, we get 12.96. Whenever we take the square root of 12.96 times 3600, we get 216 for our circumference. We check that with the true value of pi and multiply it by our diameter. You'll see you get 216. Whenever the equilateral triangle is a rational number, so will your circumference be. Let's solve a 45-degree triangle with a hypotenuse of 12. Inside our 3.6 inch circumference circle, the 45-degree position, its height whenever you square it is equal to 0.6 repeating. To get our balance number, we're going to multiply 12 by 0.75 and get 9. 12 times 9 is 108. The square root of 0.6 repeating times 108 gives you 8.4852813738.